holy heck, I have a lot of hair. Hello, my fellow quarantiners. Few things, it's been a minute. I'm a runner now. I run. How exciting is that? I usually only do weight training, but Todd has got me into running, and I did my first run by myself today. In my first week, I did 5 runs in 7 days, so a full Monday to Friday's worth of runs, and I ran by myself today. It was scary, but it happened. So quite recently, my roommates had introduced me to a video of Jason Momoa doing the Scrunchie challenge. I had never heard of the Scrunchie challenge, but Jason Momoa is an icon of mine, hence why I've been growing out my hair. I've been growing it out for acting / trying out a new look. I've never grown it out this long before, and man, it is long. I was planning on doing a sun-kissed ombre style, but my hair appointment was canceled due to the quarantine. So now it's gonna be long until further notice, until I can get a haircut. I'm thinking about cutting it off for the summer, but we will see how that goes. I wanted to see if I could also do all the hairstyles that Jason Momoa was asked to do. So without further ado, let's get this going.
I do not like getting haircuts, and my wife doesn't like them either. She said she'd divorce me if I cut my hair.
She would divorce him if he would cut his hair. She's a keeper.
Welcome to my Esquire shoot. We're about ready to do this.
Also, that leopard jacket, I want it. Hi, pony. Okay.
Not a fan of ponies, but hey.
I don't have a mirror to go off of, but we will see what I can do. All the hair. His hair is kind of thicker than mine, though. My hair's pretty thick. Scrunchies are weird. Hi, pony. Hi, pony. Is this high enough? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. 1. Oh, he also gave a look, too. What a man. Side pony. All right. But like, it's still kind of in the back, though. I don't understand. I'm gonna move this camera so you can see like the top of my head while I do this. Oh, that's a lot better. Side pony? Okay, so if I do cut, oh God, this is a lot. All right. Side pony? Jason Momoa look? I mean, it's a look, that's for sure. What's next? Half up, half down. Let's see.
Orlando Bloom.
Okay, I got this. Is it cheating that I'm like also seeing what he does? Or am I supposed to be doing this without knowing what it is? I don't know. Half up, half down? Kind of like a Jon Snow-esque without the bun. Just a pony with the half up, half down. Okay, I like it. I can do this.
Top bun.
Oh, we're getting to the buns, okay.
My favorite.
His favorite, my favorite.
You know.
Here we go. Also, one of my best friends, Helen, was visiting her in Australia recently, and she was the first time she's seen me with my long hair. And then she was like, Dalton, what are you doing? And I said, what do you mean? And she was like, you're doing your bun all wrong. As a good friend, she gave me a little bun tutorial, and yeah, ever since, it's been great. Top bun. Thoughts? We like?
2 ponies.
Okay, 2 ponies I've never done before in my life, so this might be a challenge. Let's try it out. Oh dang, I look like Jesus Christ. Also, I hope you've all been staying safe, washing your hands. If I wash my hands anymore, I swear the skin's just gonna fall right off. What is going on? Does he put them, oh jeez. Does he, all right, you know what? I can figure this out. If he can do it, I can do it. I think, oh fuck, fudge. Okay, but I'm missing, I don't know if I'll just get that in there. Oh my gosh, I don't have 2 scrunchies, so I'm just gonna use elastics for this one. Okay, that is a look. This one so far is taking the longest. See, I definitely got more hair on that other pony, but you know what? It's fine. But this one's way like on the side. This one's in the back of my head. I got a half point for this one. I'm pointing myself, so there's nothing you can do about it. Ow!
Princess Leia space buns should stay there.
Princess Leia space buns? Caitlin does this all the time, and she's not even home. I can't even ask her for help. God.
This is gonna be a tough one. Is this impressive?
Okay. Alright, here we go. Oh gosh. Okay, this is going to suck. This one, I mean, doesn't feel like it's gonna be horrible. Okay. Okay, there's one, kind of. I just like missed a whole bunch of hair though. And so that's there. This one's here. All right, I'm getting there. Oh jeez. Oh god. I mean, like, they're messy, but what did you expect? Okay, all right. I see you, Momoa. I see you. But I got all my hair, which is slightly impressive. Okay, well, that was something. Well, I did all of them. It wasn't actually that hard. And what is my go-to style? It is usually just like a top bun. The messier the better, actually, so I don't really care about getting all the hair all the time. I don't usually use a scrunchie, but for the sake of the video, I will. Do something like this, you know? Or I'll do the same thing, but kind of leave some at the bottom, so. I don't know if you can see. Bottom. Anyway, that's all for today. I mean, I nailed it. I think that was great. If you enjoyed what we like, give it a thumbs up, share the video, leave a comment of what you thought. Thanks for tuning in. Stay safe through this quarantine. Make sure to wash your hands, rinse your mouth out, sanitize. I don't know, just be safe, okay? Ciao.